Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best running shoes for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Adidas men's running shoe. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, coming in at just $36.66, making it an attractive choice for beginners who are dipping their toes into running without breaking the bank. The standout feature here is the Boost compound in the heel, which provides a comfortable cushioning experience, especially for long-distance runs. Additionally, the torsion system technology adds extra stability to the arch, making it ideal for those who need a bit of support. In terms of design, the shoe sports a streamlined silhouette that feels modern yet understated. The materials used are lightweight and breathable, ensuring your feet stay cool during intense workouts. However, the build quality doesn't quite hold up against the higher-priced models on this list. While the comfort is solid, durability may be a concern for those planning to use these shoes for daily running over extended periods. Ultimately, the Adidas men's running shoe is perfect for casual runners or beginners who prioritize affordability and basic comfort. It's not going to win any awards for advanced features, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Pros include its lightweight design and affordability, while cons include limited durability and lack of advanced cushioning compared to higher-end models. Coming in at number 4 is the Adidas Performance Men's Pureboost ZG running shoe, priced at $48.84. This shoe offers a unique floating sensation thanks to its EVA outsole and full boost midsole, which provide exceptional energy return with every step. The mesh upper is lightweight and hugs your foot like a second skin, ensuring a snug fit and excellent breathability. If you're looking for a running shoe that feels light as air, this is a fantastic option. The design of the Pureboost ZG is sleek and modern, with a focus on comfort and performance. The dynamic fit system, combined with the mesh construction, ensures that the shoe adapts to a variety of foot shapes. However, one drawback is that the outsole may wear down faster than more premium options, especially if you're running on rough terrain. This shoe is ideal for treadmill runs or smooth pavements, but may not hold up as well on trails. Overall, the Adidas Performance Pureboost ZG strikes a great balance between comfort and performance at an affordable price point. Pros include its lightweight design, excellent energy return, and snug fit, while cons include limited durability for heavy use and less stability on uneven surfaces. At number 3, we have the ASICS Men's Gel-Venture 10 running shoes, priced at $59.95. This shoe is an excellent option for beginners who are looking for a versatile running shoe that can handle both road and trail runs. Its standout feature is the gel cushioning system, which absorbs impact effectively and provides a smooth transition during your stride. This makes it an ideal choice for runners who need extra shock absorption, especially those with joint concerns. The build quality on the Gel-Venture 10 is solid, featuring durable materials that can withstand the rigors of running on uneven terrain. The outsole is rugged and provides excellent traction, making this shoe perfect for trail runs or outdoor workouts. However, the design might feel a bit bulky for those who prefer a more streamlined look. Additionally, while the cushioning is great for impact absorption, it might not offer the same energy return as models with advanced midsole technologies. The ASICS Gel-Venture 10 is a reliable and durable choice for beginners who want versatility and comfort in their running shoes. Pros include great shock absorption, durability, and traction, while cons include a slightly bulky design and less responsiveness compared to higher-end models. At number 2, we have the Brooks Men's Ghost 16 Neutral Running Shoe, priced at $99.95. This shoe is designed for comfort and performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want a premium experience. The cushioning system is one of the key highlights, offering a balanced blend of softness and responsiveness that adapts to both short runs and longer distances. The neutral support ensures that it works well for runners with a natural stride. The build quality of the Ghost 16 is top-notch, with high-quality materials that feel durable and supportive. The engineered mesh upper provides excellent breathability while maintaining a snug fit. Additionally, the outsole design offers great traction on a variety of surfaces, making it versatile for road running or light trail use. However, the premium price point might be a deterrent for some beginners who are looking for a more budget-friendly option. Overall, the Brooks Men's Ghost 16 is a fantastic option for those who want a high-quality running shoe that delivers on both comfort and performance. Pros include excellent cushioning, durability, and versatility, while cons include the higher price tag and neutral support that might not suit runners with specific gait needs. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Brooks Women's Ghost 16 neutral running shoe, priced at $99.95. This shoe is the epitome of comfort and performance, making it the best choice for beginners who want a reliable and premium running experience. The cushioning system provides a plush yet responsive feel that makes every stride effortless. Whether you're going for a short jog or a long-distance run, this shoe adapts seamlessly to your needs. The design and build quality of the Ghost 16 are outstanding. The engineered mesh upper ensures breathability while providing a secure fit, and the outsole is designed for excellent traction on various surfaces. One of the most impressive aspects is the smooth ride it offers, thanks to the segmented crash pad that provides exceptional shock absorption. However, just like its men's counterpart, the price may be a consideration for those on a tighter budget. The Brooks Women's Ghost 16 is perfect for beginners who want to invest in their running journey with a shoe that delivers unmatched comfort and performance. Pros include premium cushioning, smooth transitions, and solid durability, while cons include the high price point and neutral support that might not suit every runner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.